In the previous video, we understood the move command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to move object from one place to another using selection, base point, destination point, exact distance, and using Ortho Mode. Now, in this video, we'll understand another very important editing command, the copy command. The copy command is very similar to the move command, but there is one important difference. Move changes the location of the original object. Copy creates another duplicate object and keep the original object at the same location. For example, if you have one chair, one table, one window, one column, or one symbol, and you need the same object again, you don't need to draw it again from scratch. You just simply copy it. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the copy command in a simple way. The copy command is used to duplicate the object in AutoCAD. It creates a new object from existing object. The original objects stay at the same place. The copy object is placed at the new location. So the simple way to remember this is copy means creating the same object again. If you want to reuse an object in another place, use copy. This saves times and keeps the drawing consistent. There are two common ways to start a copy command. The first way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, look at the Modify panel. Here, you will see a copy tool. Click on the copy tool. Now, look at the command line. AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. This means AutoCAD wants to know which object you want to copy. So first, select an object. After selecting an object, press Enter. Now AutoCAD asks for the base point. This workflow is very similar to the move command. The second way to start a copy command is by typing. Go to the command line, type CO, and press Enter. This starts the copy command. So remember, CO is a shortcut for copy. Do not type C, because C is a shortcut for circle. For a copy, type CO and press Enter. Typing shortcut is faster, and once you start drawing AutoCAD regularly, you will use this command many times. Before you copying anything, we need to select the object. For example, let's say we have a rectangle in a drawing area. Start copy command. AutoCAD asks you for the select an object. Click the rectangle. Now rectangle is selected. If you want to copy more than one object, you can select multiple objects one by one. After selecting the object or objects, press Enter. This tells AutoCAD that you are done with the selecting. This step is very important. Many beginners select objects, then forgot to press Enter. If you don't press Enter, AutoCAD keeps waiting for more objects to select. So remember, select an object, then press Enter. After selecting the object, AutoCAD asks for the base point. The base point is a point we use to hold an object while copying it. Think of it like picking an object from one point and placing a duplicate somewhere else. For example, if you're copying a rectangle, you can choose one corner as a base point. Then, you move your cursor to the new location and click again. AutoCAD places the copied rectangle based on the base point. So the base point controls how the copied object is positioned in the new location. Now let's copy an object freely. First, copy a rectangle or a circle in the drawing area. Type CO and press Enter. AutoCAD asks you to select objects. Click on the object. Press Enter. Now, AutoCAD asks for the base point. Click any point near the object. Now move your cursor. You will see a copy moving with your cursor. Click anywhere in the drawing area. AutoCAD places the copy object there. The original objects stay in the same place. This is basically a copy workflow. Start a copy. Select an object. Press Enter. Pick a base point. Pick a destination point. Now let's copy an object with exact distance. This is more useful in real drawings. Start a copy command by typing CO and press Enter. Select the object. Press Enter. Click the base point. Now, move your cursor in the direction which you want to move the copy. For example, move to the right. Now, type distance like 10 and press Enter. AutoCAD create copy exactly 10 units away from the direction. This is much better than copy by guessing. So, if you know the spacing, type the distance. This is very useful when placing repeated objects like columns, chairs, windows, lights, symbols, or layout elements. The copy command works very well with the Ortho Mode. If you want to copy an object perfectly horizontally or vertically, turn on Ortho. You can turn it on from status bar or just press F8. Now start a copy command. Select an object, press enter, pick the base point. Move your cursor left, right, up or down. With Ortho turned on, AutoCAD keeps the copy direction straight. Now tap the distance and press enter. This is very helpful when you want equal spacing and a straight direction. So remember, use Ortho when you want straight copy. In the real drawings, we often copy objects from one exact point to another exact point. For that, we use object snap, also called OSnap. For example, you may want to copy a door from one wall opening to another wall opening. Or you may want to copy a circle so its center matches to the endpoint, midpoint, or another object. In this case, you should not copy by guessing. You should use object snap to pick the exact points. We will learn object snap in a detail later, but now just understand that object snap makes the copy command more accurate. One important thing about the copy command is that it can create multiple copies. After you place the first copy, AutoCAD usually keeps the copy command active. This means you can click another location to create another copy. Then click another location and create one more copy. When you are done, press enter or escape to finish the command. This is very useful when you need the same object in many places. For example, you are copying the same chair around the table. You can copy the same window along the wall. You can copy the same column in the building layout. So remember, copy can create one copy or multiple copies at once. Let's quickly summarize the copy command. The copy command is used to create duplicate objects. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also start it by typing CO and press enter. First select that object, then press enter. Then choose the base point. Then choose the new location for the copy. You can copy freely by clicking, or you can copy accurately by typing the distance. Use Ortho Mode if you want to copy straight horizontal or vertical. And remember, copy keeps the original object and creates the duplicate objects. Before moving to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Create a rectangle using the rectangle command. Type REC and press enter. Create a simple rectangle. Now type CO and press enter. Select the rectangle and press enter. Click one corner of the rectangle as a base point. Move your cursor to the right. Type 10 and press enter. Now AutoCAD create a copy 10 units from the right. The original rectangle stays in the same place. Now move your cursor to the right again. Type 10 and press again. So you can create another copy. When you are done, press escape to finish the command. Try the same thing with the Ortho mode turned on, just by press F8. Practice this few times so you become comfortable with the selecting object, choosing a base point, and copy accurately. So this was the copy command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that copy is used when you want the same object again and again in another location. You don't need to read or repeat objects manually. Just copy them accurately. This command is used all the time in AutoCAD work, especially for the repeated elements like furniture, windows, doors, columns, symbols, and layout objects. In the next video, we'll understand the rotate command. The rotate command is used to turn the object around the base point at the specific angle. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the rotate object accurately in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.